Hi everyone, it's me, Library Lady, and I have a new STEAM kit for you today. I'll bet you can guess what we're going to be talking about with this STEAM kit. You're right, we're going to be talking about the human body. Now, remember, STEAM kits, they come with one book and usually two activities, but this one actually has three activities. So let me show you what we've got. The kit is called My Amazing Body, and the book is Me and My Amazing Body. And this book tells us and shows us a lot about the human body. In this picture, it's showing us the bones and the circulatory system. That's what gets your blood pumped around. And it also talks about muscles and lungs and noses and all kinds of things. And even lists some really interesting facts. For example, did you know that when you sneeze, air comes out of your lungs at over 100 miles per hour? Isn't that exciting? Okay, so there's that, the book. Now we've got two activities. First, this one comes in a box, and can you guess what's in the box? You are right. It is a brain, but not a real brain. This is just a model brain, and you can see, you can hold it and turn it, and then, unlike a real brain, you actually can open it in half, and you can see all the different parts of the brain that are labeled, and you can see some other parts of the brain that are labeled. And this side, it goes with a diagram that is in a booklet that comes with it. And so it's got the diagram, and then it tells you, it's kind of small, so this one you may need a grown-up for, about the different parts and how they work and what they're called and all of that. So that's the brain. Okay, activity number 2. Do you know what this is? Right, it's a heart, not a real heart, a model heart. And just like with the model brain, if you open it up, you can see the names and just what it looks like inside, the different arteries and the chambers and just how that all works together. So there is the model of the heart, and it comes in a box just like the brain. Okay, so we have that. And then you've been looking at this. This is the third activity that we have, and it is a human body puzzle, kind of. It is magnetic, so I have mine on a book cart right here, but probably you'll use the refrigerator maybe, or something else that you can stick magnets to. And as you can see, all the parts fit together. Here, if I put that on there, then you can just see me adding in the leg bones, and the abdomen and the head. And you'll notice on here we have on this one side we have the circulatory system. That's the arteries and the veins. Those are kind of like the tubes or hoses that pump your blood all through your body. And on this side you can see the muscles and some of the organs, the inside parts of your body like the lungs or the intestines. And then if you flip it over, I'm not going to do the whole thing, but if you flip it over, you'll see that you can make just the skeleton of the body on the other side. All right, so those are our fun activities for My Amazing Body. We have Me and My Amazing Body, the book, and then we have, let's see here, we have the brain model, and we have the heart model, and we have the human body double-sided magnetic put together puzzle. So come on in and see us. Remember, an adult needs to check these out, and one per family at a time. We have lots of fun STEM kits, so come and see us and take one out. Bye.